Yamaha YZF R1 new variant. Why would anyone ride a bike that pushes nearly 200 horsepower and revs up to 13,500 RPM? Isn't that dangerously close to riding a MotoGP machine on public roads? That's exactly what makes the 2025 Yamaha YZF R1 so extreme and so irresistible. At its core sits a 998 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine with Yamaha's legendary crossplane crankshaft technology. It delivers 197 horsepower and 112 newton-meters of torque, giving you explosive acceleration and spine-tingling sound that riders crave. But speed alone doesn't make the R1 special. Yamaha has redesigned the 43mm KYB inverted fork for sharper control, paired with a fully adjustable KYB rear shock and the lightweight aluminum Delta Box frame. Add magnesium wheels and sticky Bridgestone RS11 tires, and you get a bike that feels planted whether on track corners or mountain roads. Braking power is just as serious. The Brembo Stylema monoblock calipers with dual 320mm discs up front ensure precise stopping power, while lean-angle sensitive ABS with a unified braking system gives confidence even when riding aggressively. And then comes the electronics, the real MotoGP-inspired magic. A 6-axis IMU power systems like lean-sensitive traction control, slide control, wheelie control, launch control, quick shifter, and engine brake management. You can fine-tune everything through the 4.2-inch TFT display, making the R1 as customizable as a race bike. Aerodynamics also got a MotoGP touch. New carbon fiber winglets generate downforce at speed, keeping the bike stable and aggressive. All of this in a machine weighing just 203 kilograms, 447 pounds, with a top speed beyond 180 miles per hour. So, is the R1 too close to a race bike for the streets? Maybe for some. But for riders who want MotoGP DNA in a street-legal package, the 2025 Yamaha YZF R1 is the definition of superbike perfection. If you love superbikes and want more breakdowns of the fastest machines, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who dreams of pure speed.